Welcome to the Prompt Index, where we unpack the latest AI research shaping how we code with machines. Today we dive into WildCode, an empirical analysis of code generated by ChatGPT, a study that asks a simple but crucial question. When people ask ChatGPT to write code in the real world, how secure and reliable is that code? The problem the authors tackle is real-world uncertainty. Many studies have used synthetic prompts to test LLM-generated code, but those prompts don't reflect actual user model interactions. This paper analyzes authentic chats from WildChat, a public dataset with over 1 million conversations with ChatGPT. They extract all conversations that include code, identify the languages, and focus on a subset in English, WildCode EN, to study user intent and how people follow up after buggy or insecure outputs. On the methodology side, they build a rich pipeline. They label languages when the LLM doesn't tag them, parse code blocks delimited by triple backticks, and validate syntax with language-specific tools. PyCompile for Python, ESLint for JavaScript, Javac for Java, GCC for C++, PHP-L for PHP, Roslyn for C#. For security, they run OpenGrep with 648 rules across 6 languages to detect insecure patterns, covering hash choices, SQL injection, weak RNG, and deserialization flaws, among others. They also look for hallucinated modules in Python and JavaScript by cross-checking against PyPI and NPM repositories, then flag dubious imports with a check using an LLM and live web data. What did they find? Security remains a major blind spot in AI-generated code. About 20% of vulnerable instances stem from insecure hash usage, MD5, SHA-1, and missing authentication. SQL-related flaws appear in roughly 4% of cases, and weak RNG shows up in a small but non-trivial share. Deserialization issues are especially common in Java, and memory safety problems persist in C++. DDoS vulnerabilities show up in a notable subset of regex patterns. Perhaps most striking is the prevalence of hallucinated modules in Python, around 14%, and a smaller but real rate in JavaScript, with users rarely recognizing these issues. Users overwhelmingly pursue bug fixing and code generation, with secure coding appearing only in a handful of follow-ups, signaling a gap in security awareness during real coding sessions. Limitations include language and context constraints, partial rule coverage, and the focus on English conversations. The takeaway is clear. We need security-aware LLMs, better prompting, and proactive safeguards for practical AI-assisted coding. Thanks for listening. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel. To advance your AI knowledge further, check out our free resources at the Prompt Index. You'll find the link in the description below. Until next time.